Post-pregnancy weight loss is a common concern for many new mothers. It's important to approach weight loss in a healthy and sustainable way, keeping in mind that every woman's body is different and will respond to changes at its own pace. Here are some tips for post-pregnancy weight loss. 1. Be patient. It took 9 months to gain the pregnancy weight, so give yourself time to lose it. Quick fixes and crash diets are not sustainable and can be harmful. Aim for gradual and steady weight loss. 2. Breastfeeding. If you are breastfeeding, it can help burn extra calories and aid in weight loss. However, keep in mind that breastfeeding can also increase your appetite, so it's essential to maintain a balanced diet. 3. Balanced diet. Focus on eating a balanced and nutritious diet. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals. Avoid processed foods and excessive sugary or high-calorie snacks. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help control your appetite and support your overall health. 5. Mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Eat slowly and savor your food to avoid overeating. 6. Small, frequent meals. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent excessive hunger. 7. Exercise. Once your healthcare provider gives you the go-ahead, start with gentle exercises such as walking, swimming, or postnatal yoga. Gradually increase the intensity and duration as you feel comfortable. 8. Include strength training. Incorporate strength training exercises to help build lean muscle mass, which can boost your metabolism. 9. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for weight loss and overall well-being. It can be challenging with a newborn, but try to rest whenever possible. 10. Avoid stress. High stress levels can contribute to weight gain. Find ways to manage stress through relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or spending time on hobbies you enjoy. 11. Set realistic goals. Set achievable and realistic weight loss goals. Remember that your body may have changed during pregnancy, and it's okay to embrace your post-baby body as it is. 12. Seek support. Reach out to friends, family, or online support groups for encouragement, advice, and motivation during your weight loss journey. Remember, it's essential to focus on your overall health and well-being rather than just the number on the scale. Embrace the journey of becoming a new mother and celebrate your body's incredible capabilities.